Are you afraid of debt? You're not alone. It's a common fear, as debt can often seem like a dark cloud looming overhead, threatening to rain down at any moment. It's the unseen monster under the bed, the silent ticking time bomb. It's the fear of not being able to pay it off, of damaging your credit score, and falling into an endless cycle of borrowing. It's the fear of the unknown, the what-ifs, and the worst-case scenarios. But here's the thing, debt doesn't have to be scary. It's merely a financial tool, one that can be used for good or ill depending on how it's managed. And yes, while it can feel overwhelming at times, it's important to remember that debt is manageable. It's not a life sentence or a black mark against your name, so don't panic. Debt is manageable. Let's break it down. Not all debts are created equal. Let's dive into the different types of debt that you might encounter in your financial journey. First is credit card debt, a common type of debt that can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The high interest rates and late fees associated with credit cards can make them a challenging debt to overcome. Next, we have student loans. These are often necessary for higher education, but they come with their own set of challenges, particularly the long repayment periods and the potential impact on your credit score if payments are missed. Then there are mortgages, typically the largest debt individuals will take on. While they allow you to own your home, they also come with the risk of foreclosure if payments are not made. Lastly, we have car loans. Like mortgages, these loans are secured by your property, meaning failure to pay could result in losing your vehicle. Each type of debt carries different risks, but understanding these risks can help you manage your debt responsibly. Debt might seem scary, but it doesn't have to be. One of the first steps towards managing debt is creating a budget. Knowing where your money is going can help you identify areas where you can cut back and put more towards your debt. Prioritizing high-interest debt is another crucial strategy. This is often called the avalanche method. By paying off the debt with the highest interest first, you can save money over time. On the other hand, there's the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to gain momentum. Both methods have their merits, and the best one for you depends on your personal situation. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide personalized strategies and resources to help you navigate your debt journey. Let's take inspiration from those who've been there. We've all heard stories of individuals who, with determination and discipline, have conquered their towering debt. They've turned their financial fears into tales of triumph. Remember, debt is manageable. With the right strategy and determination, you can conquer your financial fears. Now that you understand more about debt, it's time to take action. Start by calculating your debt-to-income ratio. Look into debt consolidation options to see if they might work for you. Consider subscribing to a credit monitoring service to keep a close eye on your credit score. And why not try a cash envelope system to manage your spending? Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Don't let fear hold you back. With knowledge and action, you can manage your debt and conquer your financial fears. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial tips.